What's up, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader here, presenting you with a very interesting video of my student Tim Bowen. He's a part-time trader, a family man, very disciplined. Learn from his experience.
So one of the questions I always get is exactly this. I'm a new trader. Everybody talks about watch lists, watching the hot stocks. Well, where do I begin? How do I even know what to watch? There's actually a very simple answer to this, and what you're gonna do every day, and I think back to 2007, 2008, when I was really starting my active day trading career, this is what I was doing every morning, early in the morning. You're looking at those top percent gainers of the day. So long or short, you want to look for those big percent gainers of the day, because those are the stocks that have the potential to make the big moves up or down. You don't care about stocks that are doing nothing. You don't care about stocks that are up 1% or even stocks that are down big. Don't try dip buying. Don't try bargain basement shopping. That doesn't work over time. Your biggest thing you're always going to look for, those big gainers, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50% up. Right now, 2018, it's not unusual to have stocks up hundreds of percent in one day. So take that list. Big gainers, but they have to have volume. You will occasionally run into illiquid stocks. To me and most day trader, an illiquid stock is a stock that trades less than 1 million shares on the day. So now you've taken those, say, 10 big gainers. You're going to knock all the ones off watch that haven't traded 1 million shares on the day. Most of the time, you're going to end up with 5 potential stocks to trade. Maybe it's 6, maybe it's 2, maybe it's 8, but you're going to have that kind of half a dozen range. Then that's where you begin your process and building your case, that I call it. Look for the ones that have news. Are there 3 stocks that are in the same sector? All 3 are up big, but only one has the news? You kick those other 2 off your list. Because the sympathy plays will follow, but the sympathy plays don't make as big a move as quote-unquote Big Brother does. Sympathy plays is a common trading technique, but they don't move as much as the one with the news. So now you've taken that 6 list and you're down to 2 or 3. Then have your process. I know if you're new, you might not have a process, but start looking at the chart. Is the chart at a 52-week high? Is it a company that you even like? I mean, I know we often joke about the Warren Buffett method of investing in the companies you buy, but if you're looking at 2 stocks and one is in a sector you're interested in or you believe in, maybe it's artificial intelligence, maybe it's electric cars, or it is the cannabis sector, or it's a biotech, stick to the ones that you like to trade, and now you're down to that 2 or 3 stocks. You go into the day, you're looking for the one. I mean, I'm assuming most of you guys are looking to buy, go long. You're looking for that stock to open strong on the day. That's how you decide. That's how you get from 16,000 down to 1 or 2, and then ultimately trade, 1 stock a day, I think is really the goal for any new trader.
Hey, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there, and also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.